So today I'm gonna be removing my E70 headlamps. As I can see, I already removed and changed the headlamp lens on the left side. The left side, I just removed the left side by taking out the fender liner underneath and remove it from inside. But the right side is a little different. There are more things on the passenger side that are not on the driver's side. The washer fluid bottle is right here, so it won't be able to come out from in here. So to get this thing out, I'm gonna have to remove the bumper cover. I already took some of the parts off, so I'm just gonna continue. So now I will be removing these screws, and I'll be removing this screw right here to remove the bumper cover underneath here, right here, and then I'm gonna go under and I'm gonna remove these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm gonna remove these 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and those two over there are already out. Now all the bolts are out. I take the screws out from under here that hold the bumper cover in place, and up here. So now I'm just gonna pull this out. You have to be very careful not to break the clip while pulling it off. Okay, so I'm gonna put the camera down for a minute so I can use my two hands to pull this thing off. Now that I pull the bumper away, I see there's another screw right here. So I'm gonna remove this screw, and then I already removed these screw right here. So hopefully I can pull the fender away once I get that screw removed from there. I have to get that screw out. So in order to get it out, I have to pull this and this and pull this away. So now I put the T27. This is it. I put it on a small socket like this, and then I can get it inside here to get that thing out. Now that I get the entire thing, I can pull this thing up and fight my way out with this thing. Okay. Now I finally get this thing out, and this with just the removal of this thing. And that's how you have to do it to get the right side out. Now as you can see, I'm cutting through the lens. So now I'm going to put the light back together now, but I have to tape it up just to make sure it doesn't scratches the lens when I'm trying to get it back in here, because you're going to be rubbing on the side right here. So now that I put the light in, I can remove the tape and the plastic. So I can fix the light and get it together. Just like a brand new light. This one was already changed. Now this is